dear viewers, and welcome to Roladel Business. We're grateful that you've taken time to watch today's video. We'll tell you all about the best 3 online casino sites in the United States where you can spend your morning not just sipping a delicious cup of coffee but also gambling for huge win daily. Before I continue, Roladel Business warns you against gambling addiction and urges you to only use these sites not to enrich yourself but only to have fun spending free money. Also, if you're new to this channel and want to get more details about the best online casino USA real money, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another interesting video like this. This is also entertainment with the opportunity to hit the jackpot and get money. Check the description below, you'll find all the necessary links using which you can go to the site and plunge into the world of gambling. Without further ado, let's check them out. Make yourself comfortable as we're going to start with number 1, which is Las Atlantes. This Las Atlantes is a great opportunity that will help you find your leisure time and play a variety of gambling games. It's quite nice when watching your favorite TV show. You can go to the Las Atlantes website through any device with your internet access and spin the relay wheel and get the same Las Vegas sensations, and the opportunity to eat the jackpot will be very pleasant in addition to it. The service is a licensed platform that prioritizes the security of your money and data. As a result, you will not be a victim of scammers. We support Las Atlantes' efforts and recommend you to only click on the links in the description to avoid seeing the duplicate site outside the video. After registration, you'll be provided with a general welcome bonus from the site package for 5 deposits. Specifically, for the first deposit, you will receive up to 280% of the accrued amount. For example, let's say you put in $1,000 and the service charges another $2,800 on top of that, which can also be used in all the games presented on the site. The number 2 in our list is Red Dog. The Red Dog company opens up a selection which will allow you to have a fun playing your favorite slots, roulette, and one-armed bandit and blackjack. These and hundreds of different games are waiting for you. The site is licensed, complies with the law of the United States and international agreements, and therefore you don't need to worry about the legality of the activities on this platform. According to our research, all of your information is protected since the site has a high-quality system for securing personal information. You will earn a substantial bonus for your first 5 deposits as soon as you register. For example, for the initial replenishment of the account, you can receive up to 260% of the replenishment amount. Let's say you put in $1,000. In this situation, the service will add another $2,600 to your balance, resulting in a total of $3,600 on your account that you can use as you like. The minimum deposit amount depends on which payment method you choose. From $10 for a new surf, from $20 for Bitcoin, from $20 for USDT, from $30 for credit card. Let's move on to the number 3, which is the last one in our list, Wild Casino. This Wild Casino offers to plunge into the world of gambling. The platform boasts a huge number of different ways to spend time playing the most popular games. The service assures that no player will remain indifferent. Right on the website, you can get acquainted with the full list of games yourself. The site has a nice design among which it is hard to get confused. Everything is clear and user-friendly. By the way, the service has an official reliable domain which guarantees the protection of your personal data and funds from outside interference. The platform is regulated by the legislation of Curacao and has the necessary Maltese license to conduct gambling business. As a welcome bonus, you receive up to $5,000 for 5 deposits at the first deposit. You'll be credited with up to 250% for the accrued amount, which means that with the deposit of $1,000, the system will give you another $2,500 on top to use. The remaining 4 deposits are subject to a bonus of up to 100%, which doubles the amount you accrue. There is just one thing. At the first deposit, you must enter the promo code. A minimum deposit of $20 will allow you to put quite a bit of money in and try the platform in practice while receiving pleasant bonuses. However, the amount of gift money directly depends on how much you replenish your deposit. In addition, before I go to the next video, let me show you a bonus offer with 2 ways Roladel Business used to review casinos for real money online gaming. Number 1, deposit funds and contact customer support. The ease of making deposit is very important for a casino to get a positive vote from Roladel Business. We check all the accepted deposit methods and make sure the most popular ones like debit and credit card, bank transfer, PayPal, Netalao, Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies are included. We also get in touch with customer support anonymously with a set of very specific questions and queries to see how quickly and thoroughly issues are dealt with. Number 2, background and safety check. Security is the second and the last point of our core in our reviews process when evaluating a casino. We test the site's security and credentials considering a few key points. We'll first verify that the site holds a valid license from a recognized gaming authority and is subject to as many stringent checks for player safety as a local casino. The next critical point is privacy, and that the casino offers a fully secure and SSL encrypted connection for players, include info and data. We also perform a background check on the company, looking into where it's registered and the company that runs it in order to get everything. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you for giving us your precious time. In the description, you will find all the necessary links using which you can get the site from our selection and avoid site of course scammers. Take care and thanks for watching. Check the next video on your screen to know how to make money online watching YouTube videos.